welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, and this is your April 2019 add-on kits. The add-on kits consist of a cardstock, a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on. These are coordinated to go with your flavors of the month to have them go even further. If you're looking for more product each month, then you'll definitely want to check these out and get them added to your flavors of the month. So let's take a closer look at each one of the add-ons. For the cardstock add-on, you're going to receive 3 additional cardstocks to go with each one of the 4 collections. You can see here how well Rochelle does coordinating the colors of the cardstock to the collections. So for Cartabella Flower Market, you're going to get 1 sheet of Tutu Pink and 2 sheets of Raven. For the photoplay paper, Freebird, you're going to get 1 sheet of Arroyo and 2 sheets of Forest. For Pink Fresh Out and About, you'll receive 2 sheets of Honeycomb and 1 sheet of Cherry. For the Vicki Boutin Kaleidoscope, you're going to receive 2 sheets of Oasis and 1 sheet of Pansy. This is perfect if you love doing cardstock backgrounds, formatting your photos, if you want to do some digital die cutting or manual die cutting of titles or phrases, or even little icons to embellish your layouts. So that is the cardstock add-on. Next we have the pattern paper add-on, and this gives you 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these will be duplicates of what's in the flavors of the month, but new additional pattern papers. So if you're like me, you love your pattern paper, or you want more options and more product to create with, then you definitely want to add the pattern paper add-on. So for Cartabella Flower Market, we have this one with the beautiful watercolor florals on a cream background. This one is called Border Strips, and the back is border strips of a lot of the icons that you're going to see in this collection. Those aqua farm trucks, all of the plants, little plant markers, and then a couple of little sayings. Be yourself, life is too short to be someone else. And if you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. This one, Flower Market Floral, is a black and white stripe with the back full of flower bouquets, just simply gorgeous with all of the watercolor flowers in this collection. So those are your 2 for Cartabella Flower Market. From Photoplay Paper Freebird, we have the 3x4 cut apart. So these are great to tuck in, or if you want to do some additional layouts with pocket pages, you can use these. The back is a blue 2-tone print that mimics a stripe. This one, I See You, is a geometric shape with a lot of the colors in this collection. You can see it's a really unique color scheme, and it's really gorgeous with the navy blues and the blue greens with the gold and the gray. And the back are all of these eyes and the eyelashes on the blue-green. From Pink Fresh Out and About, we have this paper with all of the icons that you would see for travel and for maps, along with some little phrases and sayings that are perfect for traveling or your adventures. The back are the same kind of words and phrases and icons, only on a smaller scale, and then just a 2-tone blue. So that is a great pattern to work with. The other one from Out and About is this one called Tickets. And so this kind of looks like postage stamps. And again, it has icons from travel themes and then words along with travel. Go, see, rail, epic, yes. The back is a pink and red print with circles and then geometric shapes inside. Kind of reminds me of a quilt pattern. From Vicki Boutin Kaleidoscope, we have this one called Kaleidoscope, which is a rainbow starburst. The back is this black kind of vine pattern on a distressed white background. It's really pretty. This one called Pop Dots, which is painted dots in the different colors and different sizes. The back is a 2-toned green. That's got a circle print, and then it's distressed as well. So one more look at your pattern papers. So that's a look at your pattern paper add-on. Be sure to get that added if you love your pattern papers. Our next add-on is all about embellishing. I love my embellishment, so this is always a must to go along with the Flavors of the Month kit. For Cartabella Flower Market, you're going to get the chipboard embellishment stickers. So lots of the beautiful icons, those gorgeous watercolor florals, that aqua farm truck. So again, that farmhouse theme and florals and gardens are everywhere in this chipboard sheet. From Photoplay Paper Freebird, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So I always love the sticker sheets because it gives you lots and lots of options. So we have some labels with some phrases on them, some words. I love the little banner, and then all of the different icons that you're going to see running throughout this collection. So this is perfect. Again, you can see what a wide variety of themes and icons that are in this, so you could scrapbook just about anything with this collection. From Pink Fresh Out and About, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So they will vary, but this is what was in my kit. So you can see lots of options here as well, from little bitty geotags to larger tickets and labels, the camera, everything to do about your adventures and travel. From Vicki Boutin Kaleidoscope, you're going to receive half of the puffy stickers. So I love puffy stickers, and I love using word phrase stickers like this for titles. And this is awesome because we get little hearts and arrows and little plus signs to go along, just to sprinkle that little bit of color throughout your projects. So that is a look at your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. We hope to see you over on the blog and the Facebook group to join in on the challenges that we have going all month long, and to check out what the design team has created with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, we'd love for you to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.